In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a pet Shopify website. To begin, go to your Shopify admin and open Online Store, then Themes. This is where you control the overall look and feel of your website. Your theme affects how your pet products are displayed, how easy your store is to browse, and the first impression customers get when they visit your site. Once you are in the Themes section, click Explore Free Themes, or open the Shopify Theme Store if you want to browse more layout options. Take a moment to choose a design that matches the style of your pet brand. For example, a clean and friendly layout works well for pet supplies, food, apparel, and accessories. As you look through the available themes, focus on finding one that makes product images stand out and keeps navigation simple for shoppers. After selecting your theme, move to the Product section and click Add Product. This is where you will start building out your store catalog. Each product page should be clear, informative, and tailored to the type of pet item you are selling. Enter your product title and product description carefully. Your title should be straightforward and easy to understand, so customers can quickly identify the item. In the description, include the details that help buyers make a confident decision. If you are selling pet apparel, specify sizing charts so customers can choose the right fit. If you are listing pet food, include ingredient lists so shoppers can review what is inside. If you are selling pet beds, mention weight capacities so customers know which option is suitable for their pet. The goal is to make the product page as helpful and complete as possible. Next, upload high-resolution product media files that show each item from multiple angles. This is especially important for online stores because customers cannot physically inspect the product. Clear images help build trust and give shoppers a better understanding of the size, shape, color, and overall quality of the item. Try to use photos that are bright, sharp, and consistent in style so your storefront looks professional and polished. As you go through these sections, keep your presentation clean and easy to follow. A well-organized theme, detailed product information, and strong images can make a big difference in how your pet Shopify website performs. That covers everything you need to know.